Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Cooking with Afton. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. I am. In today's video, I'll be cooking some spaghetti and mince. That's what I feel like eating, so I'm gonna cook that. And I'm gonna be showing you guys step by step how I make this delicious meal. And I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. Give my video a thumbs up, and also please subscribe to my channel, and you can comment below. And also I want to ask you guys to please watch my entire video. I try to make short videos as possible because I don't want to make long videos so you guys don't want to watch the full thing, so please watch the full thing. And another thing too, I'm going to also be listing all my ingredients in the description down below. So even with my old videos, you can go back and check my old videos. You will see that I list all my ingredients down below. So just want to let you guys know that. So let me just show you my ingredients, what I'm gonna how I'm gonna make my spaghetti with. Here goes. Okay guys, here's my ingredients for my spaghetti. We're gonna be using some homemade green seasoning. You guys should check my video out, Guyanese green seasoning. You'll see everything that I put inside. We're going to use some mustard hot sauce. We're going to use some tomato sauce, some all-purpose seasoning, some tomato paste. We have some onion, shallots. We have some thyme, garlic, chicken cubes. We have the red cubes, and we have some paprika. We also have the beef mince here and our spaghetti. We have our water boiling here now, so we're going to put our spaghetti to boil. Okay, I'm going to put my spaghetti in now. Yes. I'm not going to break it up. It's going to go down by itself while it's boiling. And we're going to add a teaspoon of salt. Now we're going to put a little seasoning. We're going to season our beef. We're going to put 1 spoon of green seasoning in the beef. We're also going to put the red cubes, some all-purpose seasoning. Put a little bit of garlic and mix it up together. Okay, my mince is well seasoned, and I'm gonna put on my pot here now to fry it up. I just realized that this spaghetti that I bought, it's a fine hair spaghetti, so this is really fine. Wow, oopsie. So I'm gonna take this off now, because this cooks really fast. Okay guys, now so we're gonna make our tomato sauce. First thing we need to do, we just put some oil in the pot there. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna put fry up some onions, and some garlic, and some shallots. Stir them up. Okay, so my onion and garlic has been frying for about 2 minutes. So now I'm going to put the tomato sauce inside. And I'm also going to put the tomato paste inside. And stir it up together and let it cook. So I'm going to add some dry thyme inside, and some all-purpose seasoning. And stir it up and let it boil for a couple minutes. So now I'm going to put on my pot now for fry up the mince. Okay, I just put on my oil there to fry up the mince. The first I'm going to do is put some onion and some shallots and fry it up. Fry it up for about a minute or two. So that's been done frying up. So we're going to put our beef mince now. Like this. Let it cook until it gets brown. Okay, so the mince is brown now, so it's well cooked. So what I'm going to do now is put it over into the sauce. Turn on the stove and put it over in the sauce. Okay, so all the mince is in the sauce here now. So you're gonna stir everything up together like this. Stir everything up. So I have some more thyme, a little bit more garlic and some paprika. So I'm going to throw everything in there. Also, I'm going to put some of my, I don't cook without my mustard hot sauce. I'm going to stir everything up like this. And then I'm going to put like about half teaspoon of water, half cup of water, sorry, not teaspoon. And you're gonna put it to boil. Also, I'm gonna put, where is it? Oh, here's it. Some sugar. I'm gonna put, say 1.5 spoon of sugar. If it needs more, I'll let you guys know. And you stir it up. Let me taste it. Wow, I just tasted it. It tastes so good. Oh my god. Yummy. So let this boil for about 5-10 minutes. Okay, so this has been boiling for about 5 minutes. So we're gonna put our spaghetti in now. This is a spaghetti, but this is not the normal spaghetti. This is the fine one. This is the fine here spaghetti. So let's put our spaghetti inside. Ooh, yeah, it's hot. So we're gonna mix everything together now. Mix everything and let everything mix up, combine together. Okay, my spaghetti is finished here now. I'm gonna dish it out. Okay guys, so this is my end result for my spaghetti. I hope you guys enjoy my video. This is some parsley and I sprinkle a little shallot on top, and I also sprinkle a little cheese on top, so that's why it's looking a little white there. I put a little cheese. I like it like that. So I hope you guys enjoy my video, and please subscribe to my channel and give my video a thumbs up, and also you can leave a comment down below. And I would appreciate if you guys can please watch my whole video. Thank you very much. So hope you guys have a wonderful day and stay blessed guys. See you in the next video. Bye.